About his YouTube channel.
Well, it's Sunday and me and the boys are hanging out. Went to the store. This guy got a nice little squeaky thing. Oh, I don't know. And we're gonna be working on the G. So last night, actually, for once, Nick was working on a Saturday and he was here helping me getting some stuff done. And we started doing big breaks. I didn't record because I was upset because the freaking studs was broken and stuff on a spacer. So I had to change one stud on each side. But now the car is gonna have big old Brimbos. And of course, Justin powder coat them in a candy red for me. So, you know, kind of offset the colors, red, white, and black. Trini gang, you know, that type of stuff. We got the back also. We got those on there. And then I'm gonna go ahead and fix one of these leaky barrels, which I already sealed it last night. I just gotta put the tire back on. Then we're gonna put it back on the car. Then we back in business. The car's been running pretty good on up rev so far. I have someone helping me tune it, hot sauce tuning. This up rev stuff is complicated, but we'll get it sorted out. So next plan too today, we're gonna clean up the interior and make it more nice. I did put a little crusty, rusty bucket in there because the driver's seat was all banged up with a slider, so that's a little bit more comfortable to drive in and drift in. But yeah, we're making progress. I want to be able to beat the hell out of this thing, so I've just been trying to get everything right. Though I do think the engine's gonna have to come back out because it still have a bunch of leaks that I'm not happy with. Also, yeah, we got AC fixed. I made some lines. As you can see, this is not how a factory line looks. I welded up some stuff so it goes past the turbo, nice and safe and heat protected. So it has AC now. It doesn't have heater, but it has AC. And of course right now it's cold the whole time and I need heat, but it's okay. I got something else to drive. I'll drive the truck. So we got the spacer on the front, put the wheels back on, put it on the ground, clean up the interior. Let's get to it. Right, Eddie? Mm-hmm. Alrighty, so wheel was really close to the caliper, so I had to put on a bigger spacer. Good thing I had them powered by Max ones. We got them on there. I can't wait to see it on the ground and how it looks. The red don't seem too loud. Kind of wish it was a little bit brighter, but I'm pretty sure in the sun it'll probably pop some more. I'm thinking about making a dump tube. Kind of don't really need it, but I'm thinking I'm gonna make something that goes back and down or something. I don't know. I don't really like the way it sounds, so I might make something to do it. Plies end up in jail because somebody want to poop on my floor, so he's gonna be in jail for a little bit. But yeah, I don't know. I guess we're gonna throw some stuff away, clean up a little bit, then get the car outside so we can clean the inside. All right, so to the dump tube. This is what I came up with. I had a piece of stainless here. We'll weld it up real quick and then we'll put it on and show you guys what it looked like. It's pretty much a U I took and made this, obviously. Yeah, I don't know, I want it to be fancy. All right, let me weld it up and show y'all guys what it looked like.
Here, let's go back.
So this is the final product after welding. I'm self-taught, so I'm not perfect, but it works pretty good. Practice makes perfect is how I feel about it. So now it's gonna go in there like this, and I just wanted to keep it from being directly pointing at the ground because it sounded kind of weird, so I made that with that little fancy curve, so Hopefully it sounds better, I guess. I don't know. It's kind of like having open headers and exhaust. So I have an exhaust now, it should sound better. All right, we'll put that on there. All right, so that took a whole 2 seconds to put on, but it definitely looks good. Check out that angle. I'm worried about these rubbing with the spacer, and I won't be able to drive it, but I'll make something happen because I am driving this today. Don't care. All right, so the car's on the ground now and it's outside. I'm prettying up some stuff in the engine bay. Still got to clean the inside. I painted the top things and the wiper blades and put new wiper blades in there. And this guy, I don't know, it's starting to be a regular occurrence, man. I think he's trying to buy a G from me or something. So he's here. So now I'm gonna try to wash it up real quick and shine it up so I can either drive it. The fitment ain't horrible, but I definitely need slip-ons with extended studs because the spacers was hitting. Yeah, I explained that to you already. Clean out the trunk. Specs here. I don't know. We'll make something out of it today. I'm gonna wash it real quick.
Here, let's go back.
Alright, so see I got that thing cleaned up on Sunday. Didn't really get to do much more after that because it was so dang cold and that car don't have heater. So, been working on the tune with hot sauce tuning over there in MA, and things running pretty good. So we gonna go try out 6 pounds in the cul-de-sac before it gets too dark, and I'll show that to y'all. So let's go do some roundy round things. Oh shit, I left the headlights on. Good thing we came out.
Hey man, your brakes rubbing. What kind of brake job are you doing?
You did that.
Oh.
Ready?
Yeah.
Damn, we got somebody down there, but damn, I thought the solid bushings was supposed to fix that, but I guess not.
Right? You would think. Whoa! Whoa! Whoa!
It's not even opening the wastegate. Oh shit! It don't even open wastegate. Damn, it's too wet. Can't even do nothing cool. Besides this. Motherfucker kinda fast.
Feels pretty good.
Huh?
Feels good.
Yeah, not too bad.
And we're gonna turn it up, right?
Yeah, we need 4 more pounds.
4 more pounds.
Yeah, this is 6, but I'm pretty sure it's spiking 6 and then it falls down to like 3 or 4.
So 15.
Yeah. Damn, FBF can't make no gangsta Yui.
You're supposed to kick it.
I should have. Man, that's the most I've beat on it since we got a little too. Damn, it felt like we almost hit the pole one time.
One time?
Damn, it has a lot of mid-range. I guess I'm on one side of the back. You hear that brakes, Nick? That's you. That's all Nick if y'all hear that brakes in the
Wasn't me.
camera. guys, well, that's it for this video. You know, like, share, subscribe, comment. You know, tell me what you like. Tell me what you guys think of the brakes on the car. How's it sound? You know, all the good stuff. Till next time, I see you guys. It's gonna be me and Blythe, straight out of Florida. Right, Blythe?